Christmas is a very special time. The atmosphere around turns light and festive. But for those of us who are trying to lose weight or are focused on our fitness goals, this time of year could also get a little bit stressful. It was earlier thought that people put on weight during the winter, but studies have shown that it actually happens around festivals. For example, in Japan, people put on weight during the month of May. This is when they have their festivities. In India, it happens around Diwali. In today's video, I give you tips on how to stay on track with your goals through this festive season. I am Dr. Rohan Fonseca. My goal is to spur you to better health and fitness through evidence-based science. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Let's get this started. Studies have shown that people put on most of their weight during 12% of the year, that is around festivals. My strong suggestion to you is not to fight the inevitable and stress yourself out, but embrace the time and put in your efforts into not gaining weight instead. Humans are programmed to be lazy. We are built to obtain our food with the least possible effort. This festive season, concentrate on having a good time with your family and friends. Do not make food the focus of your celebration. Make this Christmas about relationships. If you are in Goa, you will understand this one. Christmas is celebrated on the 25th of December and New Year's on the 1st. However, in Goa, we begin our celebrations on the 19th of December, which is our Liberation Day, and end on New Year's Day. So be on point with all your meals which are not part of your celebration. When you go out for a meal, have a clear strategy in place. Divide your food into 4 basic groups: snacks, main course, dessert and alcohol. Either pick snacks and alcohol or main course and dessert, or any permutation and combination by choosing any 2 food groups of your choice. Stick to your plan. Limit your intake of alcohol. I have found in my experience, even though alcohol is caloric dense, it is not the main driver of weight gain. Consumption of alcohol makes you hypoglycemic, and that combined with lowered inhibitions makes you overeat. Notice this whenever you're eating something highly palatable, like let's say pizza. The first slice is always the tastiest. Every subsequent slice thereafter becomes less tasty. Generally, by the time you reach the 3rd slice, you just finish up the rest because it is just there in your plate. This is known as the satiety index. Use this to your advantage. Serve yourself smaller portions. This is my hunger scale. At one end you are ravenous, at the other end you are stuffed. Always maintain your hunger levels in between half full and slightly hungry. Never go into a celebration on an empty stomach. You will be setting yourself up for failure. At the same time, never stuff yourself to the brim. Be mindful of how you eat. Eat slowly. Chew your food. Savor it. Enjoy it. Enjoy the taste and the nuances and texture of your food. Today we are living in a world of abundance. You do not necessarily need to finish your entire serving of those bebink or dodol. Remember, these foods are there at your fingertips. You can always order in the next day. If you are having a celebration at home, once it's over, the party is done. Do not consume the same food again the next day. This would essentially mean that you are having an after party. Do consider donating this food to someone needy. Be active. Remember my saying, a Sunday or holiday is no reason to be lethargic or lazy. Keep your activity levels up. Schedule an extra long walk into your day. Consider taking a walk after your meals. If you are training, use the extra food as fuel to spur your workouts. Train harder. Do not forget to drink plenty of water and get good sleep. The alcohol you consume is going to get you dehydrated, so do not forget to replenish. Also make time to catch up on some sleep because you will be having plenty of late nights. Remember, the holiday season is a marathon, it is not a sprint. Incorporate calorie limiting protocols such as intermittent fasting into your plans for your festive season. Their body expends a set amount of calories a day. If you can postpone when you first intake your calories, it leaves you with more calories to utilize for the latter half of the day. Do not do this if you are diabetic or you have gastric issues. I hope this video has provided you with some value and helps you stay on track with your weight and fitness goals. Please do click the red subscribe button down below if you have not subscribed already. And also click the thumbs up icon to like this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Happy holidays. Signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.